Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to show you this little Epson printer that I have. Makes labels. Pretty cool thing. It's a gift from Lydia. I always take the batteries out, leave them in a plastic baggie like this, because that way if something happens and one of the batteries starts leaking, it leaks in a plastic bag, not inside the unit. Well, that's a nice printing job, but it's a bit too big. Each time I pull this out, I have to go back and relearn everything because I only use it like once a year. But I'm doing a new job and setting up a new storage area, so it's worth the time to spend a little time and make some labels. Once I get the first one done, then the rest of them is pretty simple. All I have to do is just change the numbering. Trying to fit them onto the box and fit them into the places that they go, that takes a little bit of doing. And that's what I wanted. Took a little bit of doing, but I got there. Lydia bought this for me years ago, and I used it to label the drawers and the different various things around the shop. This time I'm going to use it to label the drawer for the shear keys for Briggs & Stratton engines. That way I won't have to go looking for them next time. And then I just fold it double. And peel off the backer. Sounds easier than it is. Then we'll go stick it on the drawer. There we go, all nicely labeled. One down, and a bunch more to go. Back home in his little box, safe and ready for the next time I need it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.